Jeez, he's not even waiting.
Watch him now. He was leaning back.
He's gonna fall.
Yeah, it's your chair.
I can't get this in here.
Alright, I think I can. Probably.
Give him to Jessica so I can tape this.
Hey, wait, he's gonna fall.
He's trying to recline in it. That's what he's trying
Oh my
to do.
gosh.
It matches your furniture. I know.
Oh my god.
Be careful, Daddy's trying to fix it.
Robbie, can you say cheese? Robbie. Robbie.
Say cheese. Wow, Landon, you're like chunky butt.
Put the tongue back in there. What's up with that tongue?
Bless you. Robbie, if they get it together, it will recline, bud.
Pop's gonna have to do it.
Do you need the directions?
No. This needs to be squeezed really hard.
Is that your chair?
Where's his cup at?
Uh-oh. Sippy cup won't fit. Might have to upgrade to a big boy cup.
Just trying to recline.
It's not even close.
See if he spread.
Closed. It's far apart.
You sure about?
Yeah, I'm way off. Is that right now?
Alright, in.
1 minute.
Robbie, look what Pops does. Hey, Robbie.
I thought there was a handle on the side.
Robbie.
Oh, I think he just pushes back on it.
Oh, look at your chair. You got a chair just like Pop's.
Oh, it's in right. Yeah.
$45. Some poor kid in China sweating in the box.
Oh my gosh.
Is that your chair?
You can maybe even put snacks in there.
I'm sure he will put snacks in there. Hey, Robbie. Robbie, look at Pops. Pops put his up.
All right, you want it down? Push down.